Behind the green on the right side. Cover me up. Yep. Open the door. Clear, clear. One down, one down. Right's down. One more, contact right. Inside the bin. Grenade hit. Grenade out. Go. Later gate time, huh? Alright, I'll take the corner. Watch my left. Good. Come to me. Right here. Clear around the corner. Move up to the truck. Move the car. Watch your left. Coming your way, Spank! Joe, jump the fence here. Take point. I got second. Coming up. Contact. Rock pile. Rock pile, see him? Got him, one down. There's still one back there, still one behind. Nate's. Joe, flank up right side, tree line. Go. We got one on the left, one down. That should be it for the rock pile. Keep your eyes open. You boys get ready to move. Joe, I got one to your right behind the dumpster in between the shed and the granary. Watch your right, you're right. Nice hit. Joe, move to Suburban. Spanky, watch right. This one here. Move on up. I got you. You're good. Watch your right side. There you go. Coming to you. I heard someone in these woods.
Want me to go left?
Yeah.
Cover me?
Scoot left, yeah.
Cover me.
Yep. You're all clear. Yep.